Are you tired of streaky nails ruining your vibe? Well, today I'm showing you exactly how to do the new viral princess nails without a single streak. Yes, you heard that right. Stick around because I'm breaking it all down so you can serve those effortless, on trend, regal nails like a true queen. Now, if you haven't heard, princess nails are the chic, short, squoval shaped many inspired by royal elegance. Think Kate Middleton with a modern twist. They're trending on TikTok for their ultra clean, minimalist look that screams quiet luxury. In today's DIY, I'm using my Pelcas Cordless electric nail drill for flawless prep, followed by my play-by-play routine that ensures you get that streak-free polished finish. Before we get started with the nail prep, let's take a moment to unpack the Pelcas electric nail drill. I've purchased many electric nail drills over the years, and this is by far the best one I've owned. The nail bits that's included in this set is great for pedicures, manicures, natural nails, and acrylics. It has 10 speed modes and a left-right switch that changes the direction of the drill rotation. A LED light that helps with seeing in small places, and my favorite feature is that the base is chargeable for up to 5 working hours, allowing you to be able to do your nails with freedom and not having to worry about cords getting in the way. All right, girlfriend, first thing first, prep is everything. I start off by using my Pelcas Cordless electric nail drill to gently buff and smooth my nails. This powerful tool removes any rough spots and ridges so that your base is perfectly even. Remember, a smooth canvas equal a streak-free finish. Next is time for the China Glaze Strong Adhesive Base Coat. This base not only helps your polish stick, but it creates the perfect foundation for every application. Apply a thin, even coat and let it dry completely before moving on. Trust me, this little step is a game changer for banishing streaks and eliminating chips from your everyday activities. Now, to achieve a perfectly smooth surface, I use the Essie Rich Filler Nail Polish. This steps fill in any tiny imperfections and levels out the nails. A couple of light coats go a long way. Always allow each layer to dry so you can avoid any clumpy buildups. Here's where your personality shines. Choose your favorite color polish. If you have access to the Ciate paint pot and Cutie pie, that's fabulous. If not, Essie High Maintenance is a great substitute. Apply your colored polish in thin, even strokes. Less is more. Multiple thin coats will beat one thick layer any day. Finally, lock in all that perfection without the door top coat for nails. This finishing coats give your princess nail that brilliant, shiny, and long-lasting finish that ensures no streaks sneaks in. Run your brush over each nail to seal out any imperfections and voila, you're done. By following these 5 steps, you're not just recreating a viral manicure, you're elevating your nail game to that effortless, chic, royal standard. Imagine stepping out with nails so on point, people can't help but ask, how did you do that? Now, that's magic when reality beats expectations. So, there you have it, the complete guide to achieving viral, streak free princess nails just the way we love it. Simple, elegant, and totally doable at home. I guarantee these tips will have your nails looking flawless every time. If you like this tutorial, hit the like button and comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips that help you slay without trying too hard. Share this video with your besties so everyone can glow up together. Until next time, keep shining, keep slaying, and always remember you're made for more. That's all.